Find or read reviews that people are talking about. JUDKIOM 2-pack wireless lavalier microphone for iPhone, iPad, professional lapel mics, wireless mic plug play, lapel microphone for video recording. Interview, conference, podcast, vlog, YouTube, or TikTok. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Lightweight and clip-on microphone. The professional lavalier microphone kit has one receiver and two transmitters included, which makes it possible to record sound or video from both two parties at the same time. Also, we can use one mic and receiver set according to the occasion. Easy connection, plug and play. The smart clip-on microphone is much easier to use than other microphones. Just plug the receiver into your devices and turn on the power switch of the transmitters. The two parts will get connected successfully and auto-paired immediately. Then you can start to record voice or videos without opening extra app or Bluetooth in your cell phone. Note: Bluetooth wireless microphone. If the match is not successful, do not worry, just turn off the device and try again. Omnidirectional sound and noise cancellation. Omnidirectional dual wireless lavalier microphone is built with professional-grade intelligent noise reduction chips, providing effective identification of the original sound and clear recording in noisy environment. Ensure you get quality sound and a better experience. 65 feet distance and 5 hours battery life. This portable iPhone microphone is designed with 2.4 GHz wireless transmission technology, which helps you get rid of messy wire and cover up to a 65 feet stable signal transmission. This mini wireless lavalier microphone provides more than 5 hours of battery life and only 2 hours to get fully charged. Compatible with iOS devices. The wireless tiny microphone is made for iPhone and iPad. Plug the USB microphone receiver into your iOS device to record video anytime. It will be very convenient for you to record on different social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and more. Bluetooth microphone not available for Android devices unless you have a proper adapter. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. And make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.